this video, I'm going to show you how to take a picture directly on the Zangi Messenger application. To take a picture directly in Zangi and send it, first of all, open the Zangi application and log in. Once you are inside the chat screen of Zangi, select open the chat where you want to send the picture. Now, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner and then click on the camera icon in the pop-up. This will open up your device's camera. Go ahead and tap on the shutter icon at the bottom to take a picture. Right after you do that, click on Use Photo if you're satisfied with the picture at the bottom right, and if you want, you can go ahead and add a caption to the picture inside the text box. After you are done, you can then tap on the blue Send button at the bottom right to send the picture to the contact. So that is how you can easily take a picture directly in Zangi to share it with your contacts. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.